Do you think pigs can live in high places? It sounds like a fairy tale, but don't laugh just yet. Let's explore a crazy yet incredibly successful project in Hunan Province, China, where pigs are raised on the 26th floor of a high-rise building. Sounds bizarre, right? Watch this video to find out how the Chinese made this idea a reality and learn about the process of raising and processing pigs at such heights. You're guaranteed to be amazed and have a good laugh. This 26-story building stands in the middle of a rural village in central China. From the outside, it looks like a massive apartment block. But inside, you'll find a high-tech world dedicated to pig farming. Who would have thought that pigs could live in a luxury apartment complex? The pigs here are closely monitored by high-definition cameras from the control center. Each floor of the building functions as a separate farm, from the area for pregnant pigs, the birthing rooms, the nursery, to the fattening spaces. Like a 5-star hotel, each resident here is given meticulous care. China has adopted and brought back the most advanced equipment from the pig farming industry worldwide. Here, pigs are transported using industrial elevators. Pigs here probably have more elevator rides than we do. They undergo regular health checkups with biometric scanners and automatic injection systems, ensuring each one is healthy and content. Food is transported to the top floor of the building via a conveyor belt. Then the food is dumped into large storage tanks, providing more than 500,000 kilograms daily to the floors below. Automated feeding devices distribute the food to the pigs based on each pig's needs. It's truly a never-ending buffet for the pigs. A building in the suburbs of the city, on the south bank of the Dante River, is about to open and is considered the largest independent pig farm in the world. Both buildings will reach full capacity this year with 1.2 million pigs per year. Mindstock Hui John & Kui, a company that started as a brick manufacturer, has transformed into a modern pig farm, symbolizing China's ambition to modernize its pork production industry. It's not just about logistics and convenience, but also a strategic requirement for food supply. Imagine if pigs could live in luxury apartments. This would be their penthouse. China, the world's largest consumer of pork, devours approximately 55 to 60 million tons of pork each year. From massive pig farms to modern processing plants, this country not only ensures its domestic supply, but also reshapes global farming standards. Imagine, every meal for billions of people includes a delicious portion of pork. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? Did you know that the traditional Chinese technique of roasting pork has been passed down from generation to generation? This family secret not only preserves the delicious flavor, but also seamlessly integrates with modern technology. It's an essential part of the country's cuisine and agriculture. So when you have the chance to visit China, don't forget to try this amazing roast pork. What do you think about the modernization of pig farming in China? Leave your comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any exciting content. And who knows, in our next video, we might learning to take selfies. See you next time.